This is Beatbot, the world's first 9-motor pool robot. These 9 motors offer paralleled propulsion and traction that delivers unprecedented mobility and cleaning power. This pool robot is always ready to go with the dock contact charging station, featuring an automatic pool clarifier that will clear cloudy water in your pool quickly. Just turn it on and select the cleaning mode. It has 5 cleaning modes: Quick Mode, Standard Mode, Pro Mode, Eco Mode, and the 5th mode is Custom Mode. Custom Mode allows you to connect to the robot through the app and customize your pool cleaning. The dual group roller brushes combined with 2 nylon filter boxes. Beatbot effectively handles debris of all kinds, from leaves and small stones to hair and sand. Utilizing dual ultrasonic AI sensors, edge recognition, and gyro navigation sensors, coupled with advanced algorithms, Beatbot rapidly recognizes your pool's surroundings and effectively identifies dimensions, shapes, and edges to deliver precise mapping. In the app, you can receive water quality recommendations and customize your cleaning area through over-the-air upgrades. Not only will Beatbot map your pool, but also optimize the paths for 100% pool coverage. With the 10,000 milliamp lithium battery, the Beatbot can clean uninterrupted for 5 hours. It is IP68 rated for superior water protection. Clean your pool's water surface, floor, walls, and water line thoroughly and effectively. The Beatbot will clean any type of pool up to 300 square meters. That's over 3,200 square feet. Cleaning the vacuum is quick and easy. Just open the lid, pull out the filter, and dump out the debris. Wash the filter off with a garden hose and put it back in the vacuum. Set the vacuum back on the charging dock and it will be ready to go next time you need it. We put the vacuum into this dirty pool. Look how well it picks up the dirt and debris in its way and leaves a clean trail behind. With 9 powerful motors, this machine can handle any job big or small. The patented propulsion system, which simulates flight dynamics, allows Beatbot to maintain stability on the water surface while performing thorough cleaning. You can tell where the Beatbot has been because it leaves a nice clean trail. With the dual ultrasonic AI sensors, Beatbot will map your pool and optimize the path for 100% pool coverage. When the cleaning job is done, or if the battery is low, This smart robot will go back to the initial starting point, release the water, and park on the surface for easy retrieval. The propellers on the back gently hold the vacuum in place until you are ready to retrieve it. This basket was very full. With the Beatbot pool vacuum, you can clean your pool with ease and worry-free. Let the Beatbot do the work so you can do the play. Check out the link in the description.